Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today I'm going to share with you a 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX, optioned with a white hull, a black bimini, an ivory interior with chocolate accents. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower outboard motor. This is one of the most popular boats that we sell here at MarineMax. This boat has a capacity of 12 people and stands as one of the most spacious 21-foot boats you'll find anywhere, for both passenger seating and for storage. This boat is optioned with a dual helm seat as opposed to the bench. And as we see the helm, you'll notice easy to read analog gauges, a digital depth finder, and a Fusion stereo with Bluetooth and 4 speakers. You can also get an electronics package for that dash if you so desire. The bow section, as you can see, includes more seating, more storage, 2 more speakers, and really nice Sea Ray upholstery. This is a super fun and versatile boat to enjoy the water with your friends and family. And if you'd like to learn more, discuss pricing and options, or take this boat out on the water for a demo, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. This is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.